Hello. Today I'm gonna make a short video about uh, feelings. Um, when you get stuck programming or studying or trying to set up something on your computer, it's just so frustrating. You know, it's just unbelievably frustrating because you just feel like you can't move. You really don't know where to go, what to do. Start googling things, you find answers that don't fit exactly what you need, and then you don't get the things to work. You get to stuck don't remember the name now. Stuck flow. You get to to do tutorials and stuff to try to solve your problem, and then when you finally get to solve it, it's just so rewarding. It's unbelievable. Both things, the frustration and the good feeling when you solve things, is just, I guess programming has a lot of that. And I've decided to stop my GS essential course on LinkedIn for a while, and I've started the Odin Project, which starts like from the beginning, from some basic concepts that I didn't have, and it's just amazing how it gets you to install a virtual system on your own computer, and you get to see really basic stuff about what internet is, how the web works, what is a browser, what is a search engine, what is a page, what is a website. I think that's basic stuff that is really interesting to know, and which is really, at least in my case, helpful. So when I'm learning code, now I understand what I am doing, where I am doing it. And it took me a while to set up all the stuff required for the Odin project. Go check this out. This is a mess. I guess they need some crash course about HTML to have things structured properly and easily. Well, yeah, just that thought. I've started the Odin project. I was afraid to quit LinkedIn's GS Essential course because I don't want to skip from one place to the other, but there's something wrong with the files, and on top of that there was a lot of theoretical things. I just didn't feel sure it was a good move to go from HTML and CSS to JavaScript without practicing my CSS and HTML knowledge a bit more. So now in the Odin project, I've read it is a bit more practical all along the way. For now, the basic stuff, the foundations, how they call it in the course, are super interesting, super useful to get a roadmap of where you are, where you're gonna go, and what are the tools, and what they mean, and what they've been built for. So there we go, the Odin project. Today is 6th of June, so I've been studying for 35 days right now, 36 days in a row. I'll do it.